If you want a garden that looks clean, structured, and private, hedge shrubs are one of the best solutions you can use. The right plants can form a dense green wall that instantly upgrades the look of your outdoor space while also giving you year-round coverage. In this video, we're looking at 7 upright shrubs that naturally grow into perfect green walls with very little effort.
Now, before we begin, don't forget, you can find all the plants and tools featured in our videos through the link on your screen or in the description.
Number 1. Arborvitae Emerald Green. Arborvitae Emerald Green is one of the most popular choices for creating a clean and elegant green wall. Its naturally narrow, upright shape allows it to grow into a dense vertical hedge that looks neat and structured without much effort. The rich green foliage stays vibrant throughout the year, giving the garden a polished and consistent appearance. One of the biggest advantages of this shrub is how easy it is to maintain. It grows at a steady rate, holds its shape well, and rarely needs heavy pruning to stay tidy. Once established, it becomes a dependable plant that requires minimal attention while still delivering a strong visual impact. In the landscape, emerald green works beautifully along property lines, fences, or side yards where privacy is needed. Planted in a row, it forms a seamless green wall that feels both formal and natural at the same time. Number 2. Hicks. Hicks is a classic hedge shrub known for its deep green color and incredibly dense growth habit. Its soft, needle-like foliage creates a rich, full texture that looks refined and timeless in almost any garden setting. Unlike many other shrubs, it maintains a strong presence even in colder months. This plant is especially valued for its versatility and resilience. It tolerates shade better than most hedge shrubs and responds very well to pruning, making it easy to shape into clean lines or formal hedges. Once established, it becomes a long-lasting and low-maintenance choice for structured gardens. In the landscape, Hicks is ideal for creating formal hedges or layered green walls in both sun and partial shade. It works particularly well in front of house plantings, where a more traditional, elegant look is desired. Number 3. Arborvitae North Pole. Arborvitae North Pole is a slimmer and more upright version of traditional arborvitae, making it perfect for tighter spaces. Its narrow form allows you to create a tall green wall without taking up too much width, which is especially useful in smaller yards. The dense foliage gives it a clean, column-like appearance that feels modern and intentional. This shrub is also known for being tough and adaptable. It handles cold climates well, maintains its structure without constant trimming, and grows steadily into a uniform hedge. Compared to wider varieties, it offers a more controlled and manageable growth habit. In the landscape, North Pole is ideal for lining pathways, fences, or narrow side yards where space is limited. When planted closely together, it forms a sleek, vertical green wall that adds privacy without overwhelming the area. Number 4. Juniper Spartan. Juniper Spartan is a strong, upright evergreen that brings a bold and structured look to any garden. Its deep green foliage grows in a tight, vertical form, making it perfect for creating a clean and defined green wall. The overall appearance feels slightly more rugged compared to arborvitae, which adds character to the landscape. This shrub is especially appreciated for its toughness and adaptability. It handles heat, drought, and poor soil conditions better than many other hedge plants, making it a great option for challenging environments. Once established, it requires very little maintenance and continues to hold its shape naturally. In the landscape, Spartan works well along fences, property lines, or open sunny areas where a strong vertical presence is needed. It's an excellent choice for gardeners who want a low-effort hedge that still feels structured and reliable. Number 5. Arborvitae Green Giant. Arborvitae Green Giant is one of the fastest-growing hedge shrubs available for creating a tall, dense green wall. Its lush, feathery foliage quickly fills in space, forming a thick screen that provides excellent privacy. As it matures, it develops into a large, impressive hedge that feels both natural and substantial. One of the biggest reasons gardeners choose Green Giant is its rapid growth, combined with low maintenance needs. It is resistant to many common issues, adapts well to different soil types, and doesn't require constant pruning to look good. With the right spacing, it can create a full privacy wall in just a few seasons. In the landscape, Green Giant is ideal for larger properties or backyard boundaries where a tall screen is desired. Planted in rows, it forms a continuous wall of greenery that blocks views while enhancing the overall structure of the garden. Number 6. U. densiformis. U. densiformis is a dense, low-growing evergreen that brings thickness and fullness to hedge plantings. Its rich green needles create a soft but compact texture that works well in both formal and informal designs. Compared to taller yews, this variety stays lower while still forming a very solid mass of foliage. This plant is highly valued for its durability and shade tolerance. It can grow in conditions where many other evergreens struggle, including partially shaded areas, and it responds well to pruning if shaping is needed. Over time, it becomes a reliable, low-maintenance option for building dense greenery. In the landscape, densiformis works best as a lower hedge or as a base layer beneath taller shrubs. It helps create a layered green wall effect that adds depth and richness to the overall planting design. Number 7. Sky Pencil Holly. Sky Pencil Holly is a unique upright shrub known for its extremely narrow, column-like growth habit. Its dark green foliage forms a tight vertical line, making it perfect for creating a clean and modern green wall. The minimalist shape gives the garden a clean and architectural feel. This shrub is surprisingly easy to care for despite its refined appearance. It grows slowly and maintains its shape naturally, which means it rarely needs pruning to stay neat. With basic care and proper placement, it remains a consistent and reliable element in the landscape. In the landscape, Sky Pencil works beautifully in modern gardens, entryways, or tight spaces where a vertical accent is needed. When planted in rows, it creates a striking, linear hedge that feels both elegant and space-efficient. A well-chosen hedge can completely transform the structure and privacy of your garden. With upright shrubs like these, you can create a clean, dense green wall that looks intentional and well-designed all year round. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me which hedge plant you'd choose for your space.